I thought this was such a sacred practice and I wanted to share it with the girls. And every time I did it, my mood just got lifted. So I didn't realize how hard it was to actually look at myself and tell myself, I love you, Grace. I love you, Grace. Have you done it before? Have you told yourself that you love you? I tell everybody around me, I have my kids, my husband, my family. I tell them I love you all the time. And I had actually never looked at myself and told myself I love you. Now, don't get me wrong, I love myself. I know that. I take care of myself as much as I can, and as much as possible I pour into myself. But to actually look at myself in the mirror and say, Grace, I love you. You know, sometimes you have to say it to yourself to actually begin to feel it. Like imagine you loved your partner but never told them, or imagine you loved your kids but never told them, right? So I had this realization when I started reading the book, The Art of Extreme Self-Care. And it intimidated me a little bit because I was going through a rough time when I decided to reach for that audiobook. And the few pages, it started to recommend standing in a mirror and telling yourself, I love you. The first time I tried, I stood in the mirror and I just stared at my face and I couldn't speak it out. For a few minutes, I was saying it in my head, but it could never come out. And then I realized, wow, I have actually never said these words to myself. So I pushed through. I stood in the mirror, I stared at myself, and I kept saying it in my head until finally I was able to get it out of my mouth. It came out very softly and it was like, I love you. I couldn't even mention my name, but the book instructed us to mention our name and say, I love you, Grace. So I tried again and it was better. And then I tried again and I found myself just beaming and full of joy and laughter. I feel like I just uplifted myself, like a loved one just told me that he loved me in a very, very special way. And I realized this is very important. This is something that I have never done, but this is something that needs to go into my toolbox. And so now, whenever I see a mirror, I look at myself and I say, I love you, Grace. I love you. Because you know what? You are good. You're a good girl. You're a good mom. You're a good sister. You're a good wife. You're a good friend. If nobody told you this, I want to tell myself. If nobody told you this, it's okay. But you can tell yourself that because you know what? You're a good mom. You're a good friend. You're a good sister. You're a good wife. You're good to the community. And it's very important to know that and feel that and tell yourself that. And so I want to encourage all of us. This is such a beautiful practice that I couldn't just keep it to myself. It's the basic expression of self-love. staring at yourself, your own image, your own self, and telling yourself, I love you. Because you deserve to be loved. And I know you love you. And I know you love a lot more people, and you tell a lot more people that you love them. And so, why not tell yourself? And so now, I'm not waiting for somebody else to tell me they love me. I'm telling myself, I love me. Because I really do. And I hope you also love yourself so much that you can stand in front of the mirror and proclaim your love to yourself, just like you tell your loved ones that you love them, and actually mean it. So that's what I want to share with you girls today. I hope you will have a fantastic day. And if you are a girl that is trying to become your better self, then join this community. That's what we are all trying to do. Uplift each other and see each other become the best versions of ourselves. So thanks for staying with me.